There's a master who never taught meditation. Students came to him desperate for peace. They begged for stillness. They wanted silence inside their heads. And he would laugh. "You want to stop the wind?" he'd ask. "Good luck with that." His name was Hakuin, a Zen master who lived hundreds of years ago in Japan. One day, a samurai came to him, completely frustrated. "Master, I've tried everything. Sitting, breathing, counting, mantras. My mind won't stop. It gets louder the more I try to quiet it." Hakuin looked at him and said something that sounded completely wrong. "Stop trying to meditate." The samurai blinked. "What? You're fighting a war you cannot win. Your mind will always think. That's its job. Trying to stop it is like trying to stop your heart from beating." "Then how do I find peace?" Hakuin smiled. "You don't find it. You stop fighting what's already here." What he taught that samurai became one of the simplest mental shifts you can learn. But first, you need to understand why most people struggle with meditation in the first place. Right now, you probably think meditation means having no thoughts, a blank mind, total silence. So, when you sit down and your brain starts talking, you think you're failing. Your mind jumps to your to-do list, a conversation from years ago, something you're worried about tomorrow, and you think, "I'm bad at this." So you try harder, you force it, you try to push thoughts away, which works about as well as trying to fall asleep by yelling at yourself to sleep. Here's what most people never realize. The goal is not to stop thoughts. The goal is to stop being pulled around by them. Your mind is like a river. It keeps moving whether you like it or not. Trying to stop your thoughts is like standing in that river trying to block the water with your hands. Exhausting, pointless. But you don't have to stop the river. You just have to stop jumping into it. Back with Hakuin, the samurai asked, "If I can't stop my thoughts, what am I supposed to do?" Hakuin pointed to the sky. "Do you see those clouds?" "Yes." "Are you the clouds?" "No." "You are not your thoughts either. They pass through. You don't have to chase them." The samurai still didn't get it. "My thoughts feel so real, so urgent." Hakuin tossed a stone into a pond. Ripples spread across the surface. "Is the pond the ripple?" "No. Your thoughts are the ripples. You are the pond." That was the entire lesson. And here's the technique he gave. It's almost too simple, which is why people overlook it. The next time a thought appears, don't fight it. Just notice it and say, quietly, "That's a thought." That's it. Not, "Why am I thinking this?" Not, "I need to stop." Just, "That's a thought." Worry shows up? That's a thought. Planning tomorrow? That's a thought. Replaying a conversation? That's a thought. You're not stopping anything. You're stepping back and watching. And when you do that, something changes. The thoughts don't disappear, but they stop dragging you around. You begin to see, "I am noticing the thought. I am not the thought." Later, another student tried this and complained, "It doesn't work. I still get pulled in." Hakuin nodded. "You've practiced getting hooked by thoughts for years. It takes time to learn something new." Then he added a second step. When the same kind of thought keeps coming, give it a simple label. The worry pattern, the planning pattern, the replay pattern. You start seeing that your mind runs the same few loops again and again, like checking your phone over and over, or imagining worst-case scenarios, or replaying one moment all day. Once you recognize the pattern, it loses some of its grip. Not because you forced it to stop, because you stopped treating it like an emergency. People expect this to work instantly, It doesn't. The first time, you'll get distracted every few seconds. That's not failure, that's noticing. And noticing is the whole practice. Over time, the space between thoughts gets a little wider, not because you forced quiet, because you stopped fighting noise. So here's something you can try tonight. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Sit down, close your eyes, wait for a thought. It will come. When it does, say, "That's a thought." Then let it go. You'll forget. You'll get pulled into thinking again. The moment you notice, just come back. That's a thought. Do that for 3 minutes. You're not trying to feel peaceful. You're practicing not getting carried away. And that skill doesn't stay on the cushion. You take it into traffic, into conversations, into stress, into everyday life. Your mind still moves, but it doesn't run the show anymore. So don't try to stop thinking. Just stop jumping into every thought that shows up, because the river was never the problem. The jumping in was. If this made meditation finally feel practical, subscribe and drop a yoga in the comments if you're trying the 3-minute practice tonight. Next week, we'll talk about what to do when emotions feel too strong to just watch.